The blockchain revolution is here, and if you're not making money from it, you're already falling behind. From passive income to life-changing wealth, this is your ultimate guide to cashing in on blockchain now. Ready to unlock the biggest financial opportunity of our generation? Let's go. So what are the best blockchain money-making methods? What are the best blockchain money-making methods? With so many ways to make money using blockchain, it's important to choose the most profitable and sustainable method. The best approach depends on your skills, investment level, and risk tolerance. This video breaks down the top blockchain money-making methods, highlighting the best options based on different factors like profitability, passive income potential, and ease of entry. So let's look at the best blockchain money-making methods. The first one is crypto investing. Let me check it. The first one is crypto investing, and it's best for beginners. If you're a beginner, go for this one, crypto investing, and long-term crypto investing. So it's best for beginners, and the difficulty level is easy. It's easy to start. We call it hodling. It's easy to start. The profit potential is high, and then the risk level is medium. So how does it work? Buy cryptocurrencies with strong fundamentals like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and Avalanche, and store them in a secure wallet, hardware wallets like Ledger or Trezor for safety, and then hold them for months or years to benefit from price appreciation. So what are the advantages? There are no technical skills required, and then the potential for massive profits over time, and then it's simple and beginner friendly. What are the disadvantages? Market volatility can lead to losses, and then it requires patience and long-term thinking. Who is it best for? It's for people who want a low maintenance long-term investment strategy, and also beginners who don't want to actively trade. So the second one is staking and yielding, which is best for passive income. Staking and yielding, which is best for passive income, and the difficulty level is moderate, and the profit potential is high, and the risk level is medium. And so for staking, you lock up your crypto, ETH, ADA, SOL, etc. on proof of stake POS blockchains to earn rewards, and you can use platforms like Lido, Binance, Kraken, and Coinbase. Then the annual percentage yield, APY, is 5% to 15%. For yield farming, you provide liquidity to DeFi, decentralized finance platforms like Uniswap, PancakeSwap, and Curve, and you earn rewards through transaction fees and incentives. The APY is annual percentage yield is between 10% to 100%, and there are higher risks. What are the pros, the advantages? There's passive income without selling your crypto, and then there are higher returns than traditional bank savings. And the disadvantage is that some staking platforms have lockup periods, and then there is impermanent loss in yield farming can reduce profits. Who is it best for? People looking for consistent passive income, and then investors with extra crypto holdings. The third one is crypto trading. The third best blockchain money-making method is crypto trading, which is best for high returns, and the difficulty level is hard. It's hard to start, and then the profit potential is very high, and the risk level is high too. Trading strategies, so you can do what we call day trading. So trading strategies are different. You can do what we call day trading, where you buy and sell within a day for small but frequent profits. And then you can also do swing trading, where you hold for days or weeks to catch trends. And then you can also do scalping, where you make multiple small trades for quick profits. So best exchanges to use include Binance, Bybit, KuCoin, and OKX. So what are the advantages? There is a high profit potential for skilled traders, and you can leverage options that allow for bigger trades, and also leverage options allow for bigger trades. Disadvantages: there is high risk. You can lose money quickly, and also it requires technical analysis skills. Who is it best for? People with experience in trading and market analysis, and those willing to spend time learning technical analysis. The fourth best blockchain money-making method is NFTs and play to earn gaming, which is best for creative people. And the difficulty level is moderate, while the profit potential is high, and the risk level is medium. So number one, you can create and sell NFTs, create digital art, music, collectibles, or utility NFTs, and sell on marketplaces like OpenSea, Blur, Rarible, and Foundation, and then you earn royalties on every resale. You can also flip NFTs by buying undervalued NFTs and selling them at a higher price. Or you can also research valuable projects on Twitter, Discord, and NFT tools like Rarity Sniper. And you can also do play to earn gaming, P2E, by playing blockchain based like Axie Infinity, The Sandbox, and Gods on Chain, and earn crypto and NFTs that can be sold for real money. The advantage is the huge profit potential, and also NFT royalties that allow for passive income, and then play to earn games can be fun and rewarding. The disadvantage is that the NFT market can be highly speculative, while some P2E games require an initial investment. Who is it best for? It's best for artists, designers, musicians, and gamers looking for blockchain income, and then people who enjoy collectibles and digital assets. Now, the fifth best blockchain money making method is blockchain development and smart contracts, which is best for tech savvy entrepreneurs. And the difficulty level is hard, and then profit potential is very high, and then the risk level is low. So ways to make money: you can do what we call smart contract development, whereby you code smart contracts on Ethereum using Solidity. And then you can also do what we call D-app development, whereby you build decentralized applications, DeFi apps, NFT platforms, and DAOs. And then you can also do blockchain freelancing, where you offer services on Upwork, Fiverr, and crypto jobs. What are the advantages? There is a high demand for blockchain developers, and you can earn six-figure salaries. Also, the disadvantages is that it requires coding skills. You must learn Solidity, Rust, and Python. It's also time consuming to learn. Who is it best for? Developers and programmers interested in Web3, and entrepreneurs wanting to build blockchain-based startups. And the next best blockchain money making method is crypto affiliate marketing, which is best for low investment earning. And the difficulty level is easy, while the profit potential is moderate, and the risk level is low. How does it work? You refer users to crypto exchanges, wallets, or DeFi platforms. Also, you earn commissions. Example, Binance pays up to 40% per referral, and then you promote via blogs, social media, or YouTube. Now, the pros: the advantage is that there's no upfront investment, and it's easy to start. The disadvantage is that you need good marketing skills, and the earning depends on referrals. Who is it best for? Content creators and influencers, and people with a large social media following. Now, what is the best blockchain money making method for you? The best blockchain money making method depends on your skills, risk tolerance, and financial goals. Low risk, and if you want low risk and passive income, go for staking, yield farming, or affiliate marketing. If you want a high risk and high reward, go for trading or flipping NFTs. And if you want long-term wealth, go for hodling and blockchain development. Now, what struck you the most in this video? Do let me know in the comments, and also hit the subscribe button to become a member of the House of Wisdom YouTube community, where we are raising 100 Gen Z millionaires in 2025. And the big question is, are you gonna be one of them? Because all these videos we are making are geared towards empowering you for the goal of becoming a Gen Z millionaire in 2025. And so don't joke with the entire Gen Z Millionaire series. Go and watch the playlist back to back to back to back, and also remember to share this video with a friend. I'll see you in my next video.